You're managing tickets with Zendesk, but tracking data with Google Sheets. Neither connects like you need it to, but your work depends on both. At Mesa, you can connect any apps into workflows that simplify how you get stuff done. So your data flows, your updates stay in sync, and your work just happens. For example, when new support tickets come in, add them as rows in your Google Sheets dashboard for analysis. Or log ticket resolution times to your Google Sheets when statuses change, building your performance database. Or even automatically create priority tickets in Zendesk when specific values change in your Google Sheets monitoring system. Mesa has built-in tools to give you complete control. So things happen when they should, how they should, and only if they should. Whatever you need to do between Zendesk and Google Sheets, make it happen with Mesa. Get started today for free.